AI's game changer. How technology is reshaping consumer choices. The advent of artificial intelligence has brought about a seismic shift in the way businesses operate and interact with their consumers. This technological breakthrough is not just a mere addition to the existing tools in a company's arsenal, but it is reshaping the very foundation of consumer engagement. It is a game changer. In this fast-paced digital era, understanding consumer behavior is the holy grail for businesses. And AI is the key that unlocks this understanding, providing a detailed and nuanced view into the minds of customers. This video will take you on a journey through this transformation, shedding light on how AI is decoding consumer behavior and why this development holds such profound implications for the future of commerce. Why understanding consumer behavior is paramount before delving into the role of AI. It's crucial to understand why comprehending consumer behavior is so critical. Consumers today are more informed, more connected, and more empowered than ever before. They have an array of options at their fingertips, and their purchasing decisions are influenced by a myriad of factors ranging from social media trends to personal preferences. Businesses that can navigate this complexity successfully are better positioned to capture market share, increase profitability, and build lasting relationships with their customers. The traditional methods of understanding consumer behavior often involved market research surveys, focus groups, and data analysis. These methods have their place. They are often time-consuming and may not always provide the depth of insight required to make informed business decisions. Enter AI, a game changer in this domain. Decoding the labyrinth. How AI makes sense of consumer behavior at its core? AI's strength lies in its ability to sift through massive amounts of data, identifying patterns and insights that would be nearly impossible for humans to detect. When applied to consumer behavior, this capability becomes a powerful tool for understanding customer needs, preferences, and motivations. Let's explore some of the ways in which AI is doing just that. 1. Personalization at scale. Gone are the days of generic marketing messages. Today's consumers expect personalized experiences tailored to their individual needs and preferences. AI makes this possible by analyzing vast amounts of data, including browsing history, purchase patterns, and social media interactions to create detailed customer profiles. These profiles enable businesses to deliver targeted messages, product recommendations, and promotions that resonate with each customer, increasing engagement and conversion rates. 2. Predictive analytics. Anticipating customer behavior is a game changer for businesses. AI-powered predictive analytics allows companies to forecast future trends by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns. This capability enables businesses to optimize their inventory, personalize product offerings, and deliver exceptional customer service by anticipating and addressing customer needs before they even arise. 3. Sentiment analysis. Gauging the emotional response of consumers to their brand products or services is crucial for any business. Sentiment analysis, a natural language processing task, enables businesses to understand public opinion by analyzing customer feedback from various sources such as reviews, social media posts, and surveys. AI algorithms can process and analyze vast amounts of textual data to determine the sentiment behind the words, providing valuable insights into customer satisfaction, areas for improvement, and potential issues that need to be addressed. Positive sentiment indicates that customers are satisfied with the brand, products, or services, and that the business is on the right track. Negative sentiment, on the other hand, highlights areas that require attention, such as improving customer service, addressing product issues, or modifying marketing campaigns. By leveraging sentiment analysis, businesses can take proactive measures to enhance customer experiences, mitigate negative feedback, and build a stronger brand reputation. 4. Chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming the way businesses interact with their customers. These intelligent agents can handle a wide range of customer inquiries and transactions, providing instant support and personalized recommendations. Chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, offer product suggestions, and assist with the purchasing process, while virtual assistants can automate routine tasks, making the customer experience more efficient and enjoyable. Revolutionizing industries, real-world applications of AI in decoding consumer behavior. The ability to understand consumer behavior using AI is not just a theoretical concept. It is transforming industries and empowering businesses to make data-driven decisions that resonate with their target audience. Let's examine some real-world examples of how this is being accomplished across various sectors. 1. E-commerce. In the dynamic world of e-commerce, understanding customer preferences is paramount. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to create detailed customer profiles, enabling personalized product recommendations and targeted marketing campaigns. This results in increased customer engagement, higher conversion rates, and improved customer loyalty. 2. Healthcare. The healthcare industry is leveraging AI to enhance patient care and treatment outcomes. By analyzing patient data, including medical history, lifestyle factors, and genetic information, AI algorithms can provide insights into disease risks, personalized treatment plans, and optimal medication dosages. This data-driven approach allows healthcare providers to deliver more effective, efficient, and patient-centered care. 3. Finance. The finance sector is embracing AI to improve risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment strategies. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data, including market trends, economic indicators, and investment portfolios, to provide insights into potential risks, investment opportunities, and fraudulent activities. This data-driven approach enables financial institutions to make more informed decisions, mitigate risks, and optimize returns for their clients. For manufacturing. In the manufacturing industry, AI is transforming quality control and process optimization. By analyzing data from sensors and machines, AI algorithms can detect defects, predict equipment failures, and optimize production processes. This data-driven approach enables manufacturers to improve product quality, reduce waste, and increase efficiency, ultimately leading to cost savings and increased profitability. The ethical landscape. Navigating the challenges and biases of AI and consumer behavior analysis. While the benefits of using AI to decode consumer behavior are significant, it is essential to acknowledge and address the ethical challenges and biases that arise from this technology. As AI algorithms are trained on vast amounts of consumer data, they can inadvertently perpetuate and even amplify existing biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. It is crucial to ensure that AI systems are developed and used responsibly, taking into account the potential impact on individuals and society as a whole. One way to mitigate these biases is to ensure that the training data used to develop AI algorithms is diverse, representative, and free from harmful stereotypes or prejudices. Additionally, it is essential to develop AI systems that are transparent, accountable, and explainable, allowing for scrutiny and intervention when necessary. By taking these steps, we can harness the power of AI while safeguarding against its potential pitfalls, ensuring that it is used to empower consumers and create a more equitable and inclusive society. Conclusion. Embracing the AI-driven future of consumer understanding. As we conclude our exploration of AI's role in decoding consumer behavior, it is clear that this technology is not just a passing trend, but a transformative force that is reshaping the future of commerce. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their customers, anticipate their needs, and deliver personalized experiences that foster loyalty and drive growth. However, it is crucial to navigate the ethical considerations and biases that arise from a AI-driven analysis, ensuring responsible and equitable use that benefits both businesses and consumers alike. The future of consumer understanding lies in embracing the possibilities offered by AI while actively working to mitigate its potential drawbacks. By doing so, we can unlock a new era of personalized, relevant, and impactful customer experiences that drive business success and empower consumers in an ever-evolving marketplace. As we look ahead, it is evident that the integration of AI into consumer behavior analysis is not a question of if, but when. By staying informed, adapting, and embracing the opportunities presented by AI, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of this technological revolution and thrive in the AI-driven marketplace of tomorrow. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Together, let's navigate the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the world of AI and consumer behavior. And thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and innovation.